Hi, my name is Amit Shamim. In today's tutorial, we will see how to enable a light or dark theme with just one click in Elementor using a little bit of code. So let's get started. As a time saver, I have already created a hero section using one image and two headings. There are two more buttons here. The first is for the light theme and second is for the dark theme. Let's start by selecting these two buttons and giving each a unique ID. For the first button, I will name it light theme button, and for the second one, I will name it dark theme button. Drag and drop a HTML widget anywhere on the page. The next step is to write some CSS and JavaScript code to make it work. So let's do it. Don't worry if you don't have much coding experience, just go to our website. I will put the link in the description. Copy this code and paste it here. But make sure that you have named the button ID according to this code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.